We're back.
It's been a while.
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
What month is it? November?
November 11th.
September? 2 months.
Yeah.
But
No, we haven't thought about going racing a couple times, but had other stuff going on, and it just didn't feel like going. So now I got a couple projects done around the shop, and went on vacation to SEMA last week. So now we're going to start tearing into the car for next year. We're going to keep the same car. I really didn't mind this car. It worked really good, and nothing wrong with it.
no.
And the Harris car really, it worked really good for me. It adjusted good, and it fits good when you're driving it. I really like the help you get with it, and it's just been a good car. Every time I go back to a Harris chassis, they just seem to work well for me. So yeah, we're for last year we did how many nights we did?
Wrote it on a paper towel
Yeah.
with the silver Sharpie. That was a
Okay.
bad idea. 39 events, 2 wins, 25 top 5s, 29 top 10s, second in points at Arlington, 5th in points at Redwood, 43rd in national points, 27th in regional points, and 2nd in Minnesota state points.
Yeah,
Not
like
bad.
we weren't really trying for the state point thing, so about toward the end of the year we noticed that we were right up there with it. So
And we race against some pretty tough guys weekly,
Yeah.
so
yeah, it's the same guys every week that you race against for that. And really, if we would have went on Friday nights somewhere like we did a few years ago, we'd have been able to do a little better in regional and national points. But really, around here, the closest place to go on a Friday is Britt, and it's tough for Zoe to get off to go there. It's tough for me to get off all the time to go on a Friday. So Saturday and Sunday it is.
Yep.
Sundays next year, I think we're going to try a little USRA stuff possibly and go down to Mason City on Sundays. It's the same distance as going to Redwood, but fine. We're just going to try. I think we're going to try that for a few nights, see how it goes.
sounds fun. Yeah.
So, but otherwise, we're going to get the car. The underside of the car is perfectly clean. Like, we spent a lot of time washing it. That's another reason why I didn't go again, because after the season was over, I spent hours cleaning underneath it. And this thing's clean all the time, but I literally scrubbed every single pipe. And then I didn't
To go out and get it dirty
I
again.
didn't want to do it again, kind of. So yeah, we'll tear all of the aluminum off, and we build all of our own bodies. All the tin work is done here. Zoe and I do all of it ourselves. We just go buy aluminum. We got some aluminum the other day from the old Moonlight race parts or whatever Matt Hollerick calls it.
It's kind of satisfying watching the aluminum go together
Yeah,
yourself.
Matt keeps his aluminum in stock there. He's got black and white, and 5x12s is what I think I got at a decent price. So Moonlight race parts, I think he calls it. But it's Matt Hollerick. So
Yeah, Matt Hollerick.
yeah.
Yeah, and then we found a.
I gotta get a hold of Harris and see if there's any updates that need to be done, but I don't think so. I mean, there's nothing bent, broken, nothing like that. So, and then trying to sell my other crate motor. It's sitting up there on the shelf. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. We're just switching all to spec motor. I'm done with crates. So the spec engine we got from Carl's last year did really well. I was really happy with it. They tell me they got an even better one for next year, so I think the plan is to just have them do another one. I've used Carl's for quite a few engines, and I've always had good luck with them. So
Yep. So if you want a crate motor,
yeah, I got.
we know where one's sitting at.
$5,500, and that's as it comes from GM. I'm not going to leave the water pump and any of that on it, but if you want it, you can look at it. It's race ready. It's race ready, sitting there, and the water pump's on it. Pulleys, I've been running V-belt pulleys forever. They always work. and it's always had the oil changed every few nights, never been hot. And Carl's freshened it. I don't know, it's maybe got 25 or 30 nights on the freshen. It's probably got 60 or 70 on the whole engine. But the thing with Carl's is they're not gonna freshen it if it's not worth freshening. If the cylinders aren't good, they'll tell you it's not worth doing. And this one was good. And the last time we raced it, it finished second in 2024, the last night at Redwood Falls. So it's a good piece, it runs good, and I think at $5,500 is a good price.
Yeah.
You know, if it don't sell, I'm just gonna take it apart and build it into a spec motor, and then the heads and intake will be for sale.
There you go. What else did we do over the winter? Found an old relic.
Yeah.
What year did you say this was from?
1998, the very first year I raced what was the B mods at Arlington. I think Redwood had them too. But we found that in an old shed out here. My dad did. That we're tearing down shed.
Crazy.
Yeah, 1998. It still has.
Year against.
Back in 98, we bought the bodies from Performance Body Kit. You know, and you can see how the pipes come out, because they all, in 98 you had external Nerf bars. It was put on with Zeus clips that, you know, so.
Just weird.
KR Auto in Madison Lake, he's still in business, still a good friend of ours. And R.W. Engel was my aunt and uncle, and he passed away years ago, so they both did. But,
weird.
yeah.
And even look at the size comparison from a door. Whoa,
Door back then to now.
It's crazy.
That was a right side door, but
yeah, but
bodies are totally different.
crazy how much things change. And then found the good old yard cart that me and my cousins used to ride around all the time. So, in Chiron, yeah, trying to get that up and running again. I sat in it when we got here. I looked at Dad and I was like, I don't remember this thing being so small. The steering wheel's like up between my knees. It was weird. But
yeah, Scott got his car back from the front clip, so we're gonna get that powder coated. He is, and we'll start putting that back together. And
yep.
we got some things to do now.
Yep.
Yeah, we good.
Car's naked.
Yeah.
Yep.
We gotta fire up the motor, get some fogging oil and fire it up, fog the motor for the winter. And then we'll take all the interior out of it, the wiring out of it, and I'm gonna build everything will be new. All the aluminum on will be new.
Fun times. Didn't take too long to get just the rest of the body and the deck off, so that's nice. Still early. But
No. Couple hours on this weekend, I'll have it all the way down to nothing. Then we'll set up the assembly shop for tin work. I like doing the tin work. A lot of people don't do any of that themselves. They rarely even put a car together themselves anymore. And I enjoy doing it.
is this something to do?
Yeah. And it is time consuming, but you save so much money doing it yourself.
Yep.
And you can actually say you built it, you didn't buy it. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got the big pile of bodywork down there. Couple pieces over there that's gonna go to one of our sponsors. And yeah, I think we're gonna call it a night.
Yep.
Only 7:30. It's dark outside, so it makes it feel like 10. That's what Dad just said. But head home and see what else we get done this week. different day, same video.
Yeah, now we got one of these gay things that IMCA thinks is such a good idea. Dumb.
Dumb. What's the plan for today, Dad?
Well, we're gonna fog the engine for winter, and then take apart the cockpit so I can start rebuilding the body. So, started putting a list together for another engine. Parts are hard to come by, it seems like, what I want anyway. But we'll manage to get something together.
Manage.
So, yeah. Otherwise, I already got a little bit of a order placed for putting the new body together. The next few weeks, I suppose we'll spend doing some sheet metal. Get the cockpit built, rewire it.
I like doing the sheet metal stuff. It's satisfying to watch it come together.
And later this winter, we'll put it up on the hoist and go through suspension. Yeah.
Right.
One of these days, I should fix the snow blower. I got some parts ordered for that. Maybe we'll need it later.
Hopefully not.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of snow. Well,
Yep.
get started. All right. Car looks a little bit different than the last time.
Yeah,
That
I've
you
always
saw
been
it.
slacking on updates and hanging out with boys, so.
A little bit. But got the cockpit taken apart and then started building the new one. So,
Yeah.
hard at work.
Yeah, I have been.
But
Yeah.
it's the update for now. Then start building the rest of the body. Start on deck pretty much next, right?
Yeah, we'll get the deck done, the roof, the sails, the hood, the nose, and then probably move it over to the hoist and go through the suspension. We'll do the doors and quarters last. But get the deck all done, hood, nose, roof. But probably won't. And the dome is this week, so we'll rent that and watch that. Maybe this weekend we'll bring the computer out here and watch it at the shop so I can putz on this too. So yeah.
But
We changed a few things up with how it is. We put a different dash in it. It's not quite done yet. The dash is done, but the cowling around it isn't. At the end of the night it'll be all together, so we'll finish the video with it at the end of the night tonight with it all together.
yeah,
the lights on and stuff. So.
Well, finish that up.
Built not bought here.
Built, not bought. All right. All right, got it finished. Net's up. Nice and tight. No. Ugh. Look how nice that looks. I think it turned out great, Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Built not bought.
Built, not bought. Then start on the deck. Rest of the deck. And yeah, see where we go from there. See if I can get this up with one hand. Ah, got it.
I've had that brake since probably 2012, probably 2008, 12, right in there. I bet. I must have got about 2008,
Oh yeah, that's 2009.
2009, right in there.
One of our sticker placing places.
But yeah, it's built a lot of bodies. We just got a hand shear and a lot of time on our hands.
And a lot of time on our hands. Yeah.
But it turns out good. It's nice to see that we can, and I like doing the body stuff.
Mm-hmm.
It's time consuming. And I made 2 wrong parts tonight, so that kind of irked me, but I'll make new ones tomorrow.
Done for the night. Yep. Are you getting the lights?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But yeah, so then we'll end this one here. Start a new video for building the rest of the body panels and then whatever else we
Yeah. Give a little
figure out to do.
shout out to the kids we saw at Harbor Freight that watch our videos. It's really cool to see that. So when you watch it, I told you we'd get another one out here pretty soon.
Yep. Now it's just on me to make sure that actually happens, that it's
Yeah.
soon.
Yeah, along with redoing a bunch of the car, we're in the middle of putting another spec engine together, so should be a good one. I got a bunch of parts bought for that.
Busy winter.
Yeah.
Make ourselves busy.
Yep.
But that it?
That's it, I think.
That's it, I think. So, till next time.